This is OPPO Reno 13, and today we are going to see how good it is and how good its camera is. Firstly, we will see what's inside the box. First of all, we get a silicone case with zebra linings design on the back. Our main device, an 80-watt SuperVOOC adapter, Type A to Type C cable, and a SIM ejection tool. Now this is the design that truly resembles iPhone with an impressive 7.2mm thickness. We get 1200 nits peak brightness, which enables us to use it in the sunlight with ease. Now on to the camera setup with 50-megapixel back and front cameras. I am attaching some sample shots for better elaboration. Due to shortage of time, I could not upload the full camera review. It has few cons in the camera and in performance as well, which I noticed during the use, which I will discuss in detail in the next video. As I am also a photographer, so I am testing it to extreme limit and soon will upload a detailed camera review. So do subscribe our channel and never miss the upcoming informative videos. Thank you for watching the video. We will see you soon in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.